Good morning, friends.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
I've made up my mind. I think I'm gonna shave tomorrow. At this point, I think I'm less curious of whether or not I can grow a beard and more curious about how many attempts it's gonna take to admit to myself that I can't. So today I wanted to talk about something that I find really interesting. I was talking to a friend about this during the school year. We were both athletes in high school, and so we always had school and then practice, and then we had like a very limited time at night to actually get schoolwork done. And what we noticed is that everything got done within that packed schedule pretty much without fail. So when we got to college, we had more time to do stuff. And even though we had more time, we were still filling that time with the same amount of work. We were doing the same work over a longer period of time and still having like the same amount of free time. Why is it that when I have less to do, it takes me way longer? Because in high school, I was cranking out so much work in such a limited time, and then I get to college and I'm just filling the time. It's like a gas. It fills the available space. So people, like, I do a lot of stuff, and people kind of have asked me in the past, how do you fit everything in? And my answer to that is always, I never really know what to say to that, because first of all, I do what I like. I don't do anything I don't like. And second of all, I don't think I would be able to get it all done if I wasn't doing all of it, which is interesting. It's like I have these time constraints that I have to fit everything in, and that causes me to be really efficient with my time. And if I were to remove a bunch of those things in order to have more time, I would end up getting less done. I don't know why that happens. I think it's a really interesting phenomenon though, and it's something that you guys can take advantage of right now. Like, if there's a hobby that you want to get into, like, section off time every day to do that. It seems really obvious, like, yeah, if I want to do something, I just schedule the time and I do it. But you'd be surprised at how much better that makes you at doing the rest of the things that you have to do. The more you do, the easier it is to do more. I think that's the best way of putting it. The more you do, the easier it is to do more. Yeah. So yeah, I really encourage you to take advantage of that. I would like to hear what you guys do for things like productivity and like what your strategies are for that, because there's so much to be learned about that. So my strategy is just being very specific with when I do what. If you try this out, let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys do with this information, if you do anything with it. And any thoughts you have on this. Do you think this is a good strategy? Do you think it's maybe bad in a lot of ways? It could be. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that. Check me out on my other social media. I post lots of cool stuff over there. So until tomorrow, peace.